I asked leading entomologists, what's the smartest bug in the world? Some insects can count, recognize human faces, even invent languages. You kind of know, going into it, that scientists who have spent their lives studying animal behavior are not going to love being asked, what is the smartest bug? It's a tricky question and I don't think anyone will give you a straight answer to it, unfortunately, laughs Mark Schroer, a biologist who specializes in invertebrates. He's being nice. It is, I fully acknowledge, a pretty stupid question. But scientists themselves have, without using that phrasing, been attempting to answer it, and have been making progress. Insect intelligence is an understudied field, but a particularly weird and dynamic one where huge discoveries are being made almost every year. The biggest problem with asking about animal intelligence is defining what we even mean by intelligence. The animals generally thought of as smartest, among them the great apes, dolphins, and the octopus, are believed to be intelligent because they demonstrate some of the behaviors that we associate with our own superiority as humans. These qualities include problem-solving, advanced communication, social skills, adaptability, and memory, and also physical traits like the comparative size of the brain or number of neurons in the brain. Scientists study these qualities, but they study them individually, as concrete behaviors and attributes, and don't usually like to then add up an animal species scores on those qualities and then declare them objectively intelligent. Insects are a particularly difficult group of animals to study for these traits, because they're just so different from us. Schroer walked me through the basics of an insect's brain, and holy God, they are so weird. Insects are extremely modular creatures, not like us at all. The easiest way to understand an insect's nervous system is that an insect has many different sub-brains in different parts of its body, which feed into and can be controlled by a slightly larger central brain but can actually also operate separately. The antennae of an insect has its own brain. So does the mouth, the eyes, and each leg. Even if the central brain of an insect stops working, its legs still have their own sub-brains, and can keep walking. Insects have, even considering their small size, a comparatively smaller central brain than we do, and with a much smaller neural count. Lars Chitka, perhaps the foremost researcher on the behavior of bees, told me that a bee has under 1 million neurons in its main brain. Humans, about 100 billion.